Welcome back. More extreme heat has made our way through at least the first part of the day. Lots of sunshine out there, strong southerly wind, getting temperatures up there to 103 degrees for a high in Scottsbluff and at Torrington. Chadron once again the warm spot at 105 with a 101 at Alliance and at Sydney. Average high for this time of year is 88, so we're well above that. Temperatures outside right now have cooled off a lot. Cooled off by now 31 degrees in Scottsbluff, falling to 72. 71 right now at Kimball, but still pretty warm. Upper 70s to near 80 at Sydney, Oshkosh, Chadron, and out toward Alliance. Let's take a look at the winds. They have flipped around from a southeasterly direction to trying to flip around to a northerly flow. Not yet getting there yet, but we will finally get that northerly wind, and we will cool down as we go through the next few days. Wind speed's really not that bad, around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So here's a look at the satellite loop. Mainly dry conditions as you go from Scottsbluff down toward Kimball and Sydney. More clouds from Alliance and points off to the north. Still seeing that shower out toward the Chadron area right now. Maybe some showers approaching Gordon, hitting the Hayes Springs area and Crawford, and moving out of the Hemingford area into South Dakota right now. No lightning with these as we're losing the daytime heating. We're losing the strength of the shower. So the cold front well back here. So not really going to have a lot of energy after we go into the evening. High pressure to our south and to our east in charge of our forecast. There is that very strong southerly flow. Now it's more from a westerly direction, so we are really starting to dry out. It's less from the Gulf of Mexico, more from the Rocky Mountains and desert southwest. So we're just waiting for that cold front back there to cool us off. That's going to be the story as we go through the next few days, starting off tomorrow with clear skies, lows in the lower 60s, highs getting into the mid to upper 90s across the region. Still some isolated storms tomorrow evening, and then for the day on Thursday, things really start to change. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across the region. A few peaks of sunshine could get us to the upper 80s to near 90. We have a better chance of some showers and storms for your Thursday evening. The main low is going to move to the north. We're going to get its cold front, though, so it's really going to push the extreme heat out of here. Cooler air will work its way in as we go through Friday and Saturday. More of a northerly wind. The back end of this cold front and possibly another low developing back here could be our first chance of some heavy rain in a couple of weeks across the region, especially on Friday, and then possibly for the day on Saturday. So the really warm to hot conditions are moving off to the south and to the east, and eventually we are going to be on the backside of this system here. That jet stream is going to be over us, and so will the storm tracks. So the storms will cool us down, warm air exiting, much cooler air on the way. Let's take a look at that extended forecast now. We're up to 98 on Wednesday, 92 on Thursday. Moisture chances increase for Friday into Saturday, around 40 to 60%. And we have highs getting into the upper 70s, mid to upper 80s on Sunday and Monday. Lots of sunshine and a high of 91 for Tuesday. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. It's hard to escape high temperatures and heat waves,